In this video, we will talk about an amazing new Web3 entertainment platform called Bitzing, which is going to be very, very interesting. So let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, so let's get right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that if you want to check out Bitzing yourself at any point of time during the video or after the video, then you must know that the links will be down in the description. But like I said, in this video, we will talk about Bitzing. So first, a little bit of an introduction of what Bitzing is. Bitzing is a Web3 entertainment platform driven by their unique emphasis on engaging raffle boxes and treasure draws, which are the main two features, which we obviously will also talk about in this video. And it transforms accessibility, allowing users to acquire high value NFTs and even cryptocurrencies like Ether at a fraction of their cost with these raffle boxes and treasure draws. We will talk about that. We'll talk about how it works, how you can participate, and basically everything you need to know. So let's get started with that. And like I said, at any point of time, if you do want to check out Bitzing, check out the links down in the description. Okay, so first of all, there are a couple of things you need to know about Bitzing. First of all, it's only available for the laptop and desktops right now. Later on, there will be more developments and stuff to also make it available on mobile, for example. But for now, it's only on the laptop and desktop. And it's also, it works very, very well on your desktop. So I would prefer to use it that way, either way. And apart from that, with the features Raffle Box and Treasure Draw, you actually are participating on chain, but you do not pay gas fees, which is an amazing feature of Bitzing, and that matters a lot, trust me. So that's good to know. Apart from that, if you do want to start using it right now, you can see that I am already signed up. You have to sign up and then you can sign in. You have your own account. And with that own account, you can actually up your balance. So here you can deposit either Ethereum or USDT. You can also very easily withdraw that Ethereum or USDT from your account, and you can set up your own referral code. All right. So if you go to your profile, once you have signed up, and you go to the top right here and you see this menu right here, you go to referral, you can actually create your own referral code, refer your friends, and earn 10% from the profit margin whenever one of those referrals opens a raffle box or buys a treasure draw ticket. And then lastly, Bitzing is also busy with a Certic audit right now about their code. So that's amazing as well. It is already a trustworthy platform, but with that in hand, it's 100% reliable. So now let's actually talk about their first product, the raffle boxes. So here you can see the raffle boxes. They have 4 kinds at this point of time. And basically what they are is that if you buy a raffle box, you have a chance to win some amazing prizes, like blue chip NFTs, which will still go over which ones you can win, for example. And you can see that if you click on the box, which we will do a little bit later. You can also get Bitzing disc NFTs, and these are basically used to prolong the gameplay. So you can also sell them, for example, for some Ether to still make some earnings and some profit if you get those from the raffle boxes. And then apart from that, it's not only blue chip NFTs, which you can win some amazing NFTs in these raffle boxes, but you can also win 1 to 20 Ether in one of these raffle boxes. And if you participate, you also get points to be able to redeem token of Bitzing, which is coming out in the 4th quarter of 2023. So let's actually click the top blue chip box. If you click that, for example, right here, you can open 1 to 10 boxes depending on how much you want to spend in Ethereum. And it's actually a great price considering what you can get. Like, for example, you can get 20 Ethereum, 1 Ethereum like we talked about, but you can also get Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs, Azuki NFTs, D-Gods NFTs, and the discs that we talked about. So let's actually open one to see what it looks like. So now we have just purchased one. We are unboxing the raffle box. It's quite exciting as well. It takes some time. We got a Cool Cats NFTs. That's actually amazing. Like, you can sell that easily for Ethereum right now, as you can see. And then we can do it again. It's quite addicting as well. It would be nice if we actually get like a huge prize right here. But like I said, you can also win those discs, in which case you have not one more, but with the NFT we won earlier, we are already in profit. So one more, then it's over. Then we'll talk about the other amazing feature. So another disc, but in general, we did make a profit with that first NFT. So definitely fun to do, I think at least. And also, you can get some great NFTs while doing this. So now let's return and talk about the treasure draws. So with the treasure draws, you can actually set these up yourself. You can do a draw for an NFT, all right? So if you have just won a blue chip NFT, you can actually put that up and then people can buy tickets to actually win that NFT. And tickets start at 0.0001 Ether. And then a lot of tickets can be sold, which you can also see right here. For example, on one Azuki, over 37,000 tickets have been sold. You can buy more tickets tickets for yourself if you would like. And like I said, users can also create their own treasure draws and share it on social media. Alright, so let us actually open some of these boxes to see what we get. Just wanted to show you live how it goes. This is the first one. We actually did 10. And like I said, I mean, you can get a lot of things. We actually got a Cool Cat NFT right here. We're getting a lot of Bitzing here, which we can use to prolong gameplay. Another Cool Cat turning into a profit. And we can actually sell it right now. Here you can see what we got in this roll. We got 2 Cool Cat NFTs going for over 1 Ethereum. So we can actually sell with all of the discs, which you can also keep for yourself, but you can also sell them on the marketplace for 1.43 ETH. So we actually made a profit and we can go again. Let's see what we get here. It is quite addicting. We're getting Moonbirds NFT right here. Let's see what we can get more. As you can see, you get mostly discs, a World of Women NFT and another Moonbird. So amazing profit again with this one. A profit of over 2 Ethereum, which is pretty crazy. So that is Bitzing right now. They have Raffle boxes, treasure draw, amazing developments coming out along the way, like their own token. If you want to check them out, like I said, check out the links down in the description, also their social media. But for now, this is the video and the review of Bitzing. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.